Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This tutorial is applicable to any GMC Sierra 1500, 2500, or 3500 that has a front camera, because if you do, I'm going to show you something right here. You're always going to have this little notch that's sticking out right there, and you'll notice that there's some moisture here. If you wonder what that's from, that is your front camera washer. Let me show you how that works. Now, one thing to note about this, I'm going to show you how this looks on the screen. You don't have to bring the camera up on the screen for this feature to work. But here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go right here to our camera views and make sure that obviously your front view camera is up. That's going to be this one right here. If you have that bottom dot that's illuminated in orange, then you just select right there, and then it will go to orange on the top. Now, what you're going to do is, I'm going to move the steering wheel right here so I can show you. All you have to do is push the button right here to run your windshield wiper fluid on the windshield itself. And every time you do that, we're going to go back to the screen. This is what's going to happen. Like I say, you don't have to have the front camera on your center screen for that to work. It's going to happen as long as you run your windshield washer fluid to clean off that windshield. And one thing to note about this, for those of you that live in a really cold climate, and I know I've even had this happen in Northwest Louisiana, sometimes you'll get a note or a notice on your driver's display that says the front camera is blocked. Just push that button right there on the turn signal lever, and that will cure that problem. I hope that helps somebody out. If there's another tutorial you want to see on any GMC vehicle or anything else for that matter, tell me down in the comments section, and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.